Hi guys, my name is Abdullah. In this video I will tell you introduction of Python. Please subscribe my channel Abdullah's Tutorial. Congratulations on this guide. You are one of the few people that take their learning seriously and actually make the first step to learning such an amazing programming language such as Python. By downloading this book, you will not only be able to learn the basics of coding language, but you will also excel and have complete control on this technology. You have to be aware that you're about to do something you couldn't do before, whether it is out of fear, or perhaps out of doubt in your own abilities. It's true that coding might sound complex and extremely complicated at first sight. And there is no denying that some people don't even dare to give it a chance. But now that you have this step-by-step guideline, none of that actually matters anymore. For what you're about to learn, following the steps in this book is absolutely incredible. Those steps are in fact easy, simple and straight to the point. You do not need to have any specific background whatsoever in order to grasp them. All the answers to your future questions using Python are simply here, well detailed and incredibly accurate. If you're starting from scratch, every time you will write a code, you're going to be mesmerized. It will keep pushing you constantly to dive even further into it. And believe it or not, only then will you realize that you are able to do more, to manipulate the coding, and to transform it as you please. The point is, you will see yourself improving as this training progresses. All you will have to do is to always take the next step and your progress will astonish you. You will be amazed how easy and reachable this art of technology is. What you certainly must know is that when it comes to Python there is no experience required. So if you have never wrote a line of code, this is the perfect place to start. What makes this book completely different from the other guides is that it accompanies you through every step you take from the very first start and guides you gently throughout all the basics. As we all know, programming is now one of the most powerful tools to solve different kinds of problems. All fields are now inescapably touched by this technology. You have a small business, and you're curious to know if this business of yours is thriving according to social media. You can go out there and write your own code to collect tweets, shares and likes. You need to buy a house, a car, or even a yacht and you can't figure out how to handle your money? Python will help you calculate how much you need to save for over 3 or 5 years. You won't need your bank counselor anymore. You will be your own. It's amazing what one can do once they get a grasp of this technology. I can promise you that once you have followed the instructions included in this lecture and carefully practiced every bit of them, coding won't represent a problem for you anymore. It will on the other hand be the embodiment of a new challenge, and most importantly, one that would make your daily life so much easier and incredibly neater. Python is a wonderful programming language. It is modern, portable, powerful and above all easy to learn. Don't just sit there and surrender to your fears of possible future failures. Because that is unlikely to be an option in your case. Of course not, now that you have this book at your fingertips. Go ahead and give it a shot. I promise that you won't have the slightest regret. Rather be grateful to this amazing new tool at your reach. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Abdullah's Tutorial.